40% women like this penis the most. Psychology facts, human behavior. When it comes to sexual preferences, few topics are as misunderstood, or as widely debated, as penis size and shape. A common misconception is that bigger is always better, but studies in human sexual psychology suggest the truth is more nuanced. Interestingly, research shows that around 40% of women consistently report preferring a particular type of penis, not necessarily the longest or thickest, but the one that offers a balance of comfort, stimulation, and emotional connection. What type do women prefer? According to a study from UCLA and the University of New Mexico, many women, approximately 40%, said they favored penises that were slightly above average in both length and girth. The preferred length was around 6.3 inches 16 centimeters when erect and about 4.8 inches 12.2 centimeters in circumference. This size, according to the women surveyed, provided the best mix of psychological satisfaction and physical pleasure without discomfort. Why? Slightly above average. This preference isn't purely physical, it taps into deeper layers of evolutionary psychology and emotional associations. Women often associate penis size with masculinity, confidence, and fertility, but those traits are not exclusively linked to larger penises. In fact, many women express that emotional connection, hygiene, and communication during sex rank far higher than size alone. The role of psychology in sexual satisfaction. Here's what the psychological data suggest. 1. Confidence matters more than size. A man who is comfortable with his body and communicates openly tends to be rated as a better lover. 2. Emotional safety enhances arousal. Women often report that feeling emotionally secure and valued makes them more sexually responsive. 3. Shape and curve are important too. Some women prefer a penis with a natural upward curve, which may stimulate the G-spot more effectively than straight or downward curved ones. Is porn creating unrealistic expectations? Yes. One of the biggest distortions in public perception comes from pornography, where penises are often 8 inches or longer, far above the average. This skews expectations for both men and women, creating pressure, anxiety, and dissatisfaction. In reality, the average erect penis is about 5.1–5.5 inches in length, and that is sufficient for most women. What women really want. While 40% may prefer a certain size, 60% of women emphasize other qualities entirely, like rhythm, variety, foreplay, and intimacy. Communication, attentiveness, and a respectful attitude often make a far deeper impression than size. Final thought. Sexual satisfaction is a complex interaction of biology, psychology, and emotion. While some women do express a preference for a particular penis size or shape, the truth is that intimacy, technique, and mutual understanding matter most. Men should focus less on measuring up, and more on connecting, because, in the end, pleasure is about more than just dimensions.